Welcome to IGiS CAD, a versatile 2D drafting and 3D modeling CAD software. In this video, we are going to tell you about the offset command. Generally, offset is used to create similar objects or entities at a specified distance. You may either use the offset command from the Modify Toolbar or use the shortcut O in the command box. Let's see how to use the offset command. Let us draw a rectangle and we want to create offset on both sides of the rectangle. So we will select the offset tool and type the shortcut and enter the offset distance. Here we have provided the distance as 3. Then select the entity and click outside of the entity. It has created the rectangular offset. There is another option available with offset command, which is throw point. To select throw, enter T in the command box. Then select the object and click anywhere. It will create an offset at certain distance. Here difference is that we don't need to provide a distance over here. Let's see another example, and we have drawn a straight line and we have selected the through point and we click over here. So it has drawn a offset over here. Set over here. So this tool helps us create entities very quickly. Next again, see how quickly we have drawn offset entity for this object. We have selected the offset tool and we have defined the offset distance as 2. Then we selected the entity and clicked outside. So as you can see, it has created the offset for the object. Next, in the offset command, we have fillet and chamfer. Let's draw a rectangle over here and we want offset entity with fillet. So we will use the offset gap type and we will enter 1 for fillet. We would provide the offset distance as 2. After that, we'll select the object and click outside. So this has created the fillet over here. Now we would draw chamfer. For that, we would provide the offset gap type as 2. Similarly, we will provide the offset distance, which is 4. We'll select the entity and click outside. So this has created chamfer. So this is how you can use the offset command. Thank you for watching the video.